Hi my beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple medium braid protective hairstyle on your natural hair. This style is beginner friendly and perfect for growth, so let's start immediately. Before filming, I already washed and moisturized my hair. I also stretched it using the African threading method. This keeps my hair soft, make it easier to part and reduce breakage. If you are struggling with shrinkage, African threading is one of the best ways to stretch your hair without heat. I started by parting my hair into 4 big sections. This makes the whole process neat, fast and organized. Working in sections also helps you see your lines clearly and reduce the stress of doing your hair alone. For this style, I use 2 mirrors. I really recommend using mirrors. It helps you see your patterns better and get that clean look. After sectioning, I went into the first part and divided into medium size. Make sure your parts are not too big or too small. Medium braids last longer and they are gentle on the scalp. When I braid, I hold the hair gently, never too tight. Remember, protective styles should protect and not cause tension. Once I finish braiding each, I trim the ends lightly. Trimming the ends helps you prevent tangling. I continue this same process all around my head, repeating the steps on every section. As I repeat the process, let me talk about some benefits of the medium braid protective hairstyles on natural hair. Medium braid protective hairstyles are one of the best ways to grow your natural hair because they reduce daily manipulation. When your hair is tucked away neatly like this, you are not combing it every day, you are not pulling it, you are not stressing the strands. This gives your hair room to rest and grow. Another benefit is moisture retention. When you properly moisturize your hair before styling like this, the butter I applied at the end also seal everything in, and that's a very important step. Dry ends break easily, but moisturized ends stay stronger and healthy. Please always be gentle with your edges. When you braid your own hair, take your time. If you feel any pulling or tension, loosen your grip. Your scalp should feel comfortable. Doing your own hair is also a form of self-care. It teaches you patience, it helps you know your hair better, and it helps you handle your hair gently with care and love. I love styling my own hair because I get to choose the size, the neatness, and the comfort level. And whenever you do your hair yourself, the results always feel more special. Medium braid protective hairstyle are my favorite because they are easy to manage, comfortable, and they don't take as long as really tiny braids. Let me share little secrets I use when braiding. Always keep your hair gentle. Your scalp is important. Remember to trim the ends lightly and apply butter. Your ends are the oldest and most delicate part of your hair. Take care of them. Take short breaks if your hands get tired. Braiding can feel like a mini workout sometimes. Honestly, even small habits like this makes your braid last long and keep your hair healthy. And don't worry if your parts, your braids aren't perfect. Practice makes perfect always. Medium protective hairstyle are not just a style. They are a way to protect your hair, reduce breakage, and help it grow strong and healthy. Don't worry if your parts and your braids are not perfect. Even if it takes longer, you are doing a great job. With each braid, your skills improve and your confidence grow. To make your braids last longer, sleep with a silk or satin bonnet. Apply a tiny amount of oil on your scalp every few days. Avoid unnecessary scratching. With these small habits, your braid will stay neat and your hair healthy for weeks. It's all about consistency. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Take care of your hair and I will see you in my next video. Bye!